Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right now I am here in our village in Chirang district, a village called Betini, Manekpur. No, this year again another flood and erosion took place. That's why I am here to show you around how much this flood has affected this year too. With so much of struggle and hard work, these poor people have planted paddy here. But see, since they cannot predict flood and erosion of this place, these poor people had to lose this cultivation. See, this plantation was already completed. What a great loss! What a great loss for the cultivators. See, नायदो खुदजोबाय एसेबां खस्थ' खालामनानै माइखौ गायखांबायमोन बे ओनसोलनि मानसिफ्रा नै दा बेसेबां खहा जाखो see Thaklai river we cannot predict. My goodness, see, gone. There is no any permanent solution. There is no any protection. These people can't do anything. Just they can stand and stare at the river flood and imagine if there is any permanent solution for them, so that they can live peacefully and for the longer years and years in their own land. See, my goodness, see. See there, really I feel so much of pity for these people. ओरैबो दंजोबोमोन दा बे माइजोबखामोन says all this part was cultivated paddy of land which is so good, but now see, due to this flood and erosion of Thaklai river, Manekpurang goglaidaयोबो says no. Oh. Oh. You can help these people just by sharing this video so that it will reach to higher authority, to the departments who can take certain steps for permanent solution. See. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. This portion is also almost gone. See. See the wave, see the current of the river. What a huge intensity. Thaklai river. This river has been eroding many years back, and many people had to leave their own land and run away to some other villages, some other places. बोसोरफ्रोमबो बिदिनो खुनै खुनै गोबां मानसिफ्रा गाव गावनि न'खौ गारनानै थांनो गोनां जाबाय दै खुदगासिनो दं खैफोद गोनां जिउजों रावबो साफि फैया बेखौ आंदि मिथिबाय सम गैया मानो आंनि खौरां लानो बेखौ आंदि मिथिया दुखु गोनां जिउहा रावबो लोगो गैया बेखौ आंदि मिथिबाय सोर दुखु जाया जानो सोर दुखु जाया जानो गामिखौनो सौबाय नै गामियावसो ओरैहाय गामिजों हाबनायनि साइसआवसो जाबाय See which side the river is pushing, no? See the wave. My goodness. Oh. My goodness. My goodness. This is the heading part of the village Dologao in Betini. And the direction is taking through this. And direction is taking through this head of the village. See. My goodness. See here. This jute was not a time for harvesting. It was not mature, no? They were not matured. They are just tender. They are just tender, no? Jute. But due to this flood and erosion, they had to hurry up. And though it is not time for harvesting, they had to start their harvest. Pata to rakhiman ade nangbaguman. Oh. ओमफ्राय औ दैयाथ' सौफैबायना औ दै सौफैनानै एकदम बिराद मिथिजाबाय आरो औ बै सिमोन एसे औ लाङाखै आरो फाथोखौलाय साइड खालामनो मोनदों आरो आच्छा आच्छा बिदि आरो साइड खालामनांबाय हाखु दाखु एकदम इमारजेन्सि बायदि जाहैबाय आरो दा बिदि आरो औ दाथ' रायाखैमोन ना नै अबेबा एसे जाहांबायमोन खिन्थु फ्राय जायाखैमोन आरोना जाथ'वाखैमोन दाथ' नांगौ बायदि फाननानै मोननांगौ जि माबायाथ' खमायसै ना एसे एसे देरबावोला एसे गोरा जाला एसे अजनबो बारा जायोमोन बांसिन मोनगौमोन औ माखासे रां गासिनबो जोबमोन गासिनबोखा बा बेजिंखौबोथ' दाननाङासै दा दाननाङासै होनदो औ उफाय गैले every side there is a loss for our poor people. This was the road, no? नैबेमोन लामाया नै बे गामिनि लामामोन आरोखि एखे गोदोनि पुराना लामा दा लाइन लाबावबाय नै if we see from here, no, we can see it is straight away coming to the village, man. This side is the village. ओरैला माबा दलाफारा दलगाव ओरैब्ला दलगाव जाबाय ना कारेन्ट खुन्थिया there was one electric post here. ओरैहाय गेलाबो थंथामसो लांखांबाय औ ओरैहाय ना ओरैहाय से माने दलो गामिनि मेन लामाथ' बेनखामोन औ एसेस माने बेखिनियाथ' बारि बागान जोबमोन गामिनि ओमफ्राय नै बै दै दाहार जानानै एसे ओरैसोमोन जोंनि सिगांनि न'थिया आच्छा आच्छा ओमफ्राय दा बिनि बे सिगांनि न'थिनि ओरैबो औ जोङो गैयालाबो 4 बिगासो हा दंमोन आरो गायग्रा बे दैनि हरैबो आच्छा आच्छा बिदिनो आरो ओमफ्राय जोंहाय बे दैनि सोनाबजोंथ' हाग्रा गिदिर दंखायोमोन औ बेखौ जाबोजोबनानैहाय ओरै गायग्रा हाखौहाय जोङो दा गैयालाबो 5 बिगानि एसे बारा थांबायानो आरो गय बागाना जोंनि सिगां हरैमोन फुराना आच्छा 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 बेखौ लांजोबखांखाबाय माने न'आबो बैयावसो खामोन नामा नोंसिनालाय दै बारनै दैनि एसे हरै जिङाव सानैनिमोन बेयाव औ एसे खाथियावनो गरमनि दङ बे सिगाङावनो मोनहां बेखौहाय नैबेथ' नै बेथ' खारनांखासिगोन नै न' दंमोन मैदेर मानै फैया मासेया सिफायलांदों आरो मैदेरा होलाबो खारखायाखै ए सोरनि न'मोन इयो बे आदा रनिनिमोन आच्छा दा मानसिया हजों दंमोन फिसालाफ्राबो माने बुस्थुआ ओरै मैदेरनिबो डिस्टार्ब दैनिबो डिस्टार्ब and what I came to know is this house of one family has been broken down and spoiled by an elephant just last week. See, they have the problem with the flood and erosion also, and also they are facing disturbance from the elephants also. Obeko spaya nuwa bekono आच्छा दा बेथ' संसारानो जानो हाखाले इसोरबो बुंनो थाङोब्ला दैयाबोथ' बैयावनोसै जाहैबाय खाथियावनो ओमफ्राय आरो दाखालि मैदेर फैनानै आरो मैदेरा न'खौ सिफायना होलांबावबाय आरोखि बे न'खरनिखौ नायदो see. And there was another family here. Due to flood and erosion, they had to shift to another place. They had to leave this house and go. माने संसार जानो हाखाले बेखौ गाव गाव नुखानानै एरायबाय बेसेबा मोजां लोब लोब गय बागान जाबायमोन नै दा बेफोरखौ दा गारना खारनांगौब्लाथ' बेसेबां बिखा खामथावथाव आजिखालि गयनि बेसेनखौलाय नोंथांमोना मिथिखागौ बेसेबां खस्थ' खालामनानै आरो गय गायनायाव बेसेबां खरस थाङो गय बागान फोथांनायाव फेदेरनायाव जायफ्रा गय गायदों बिसोरसो मिथिगौ आरो स्पेसियेलि जोंनि सा ओनसोलनि मानसिफ्रा नायदो नै बेथ' दै खाथियावनोसै बे गय बागाना नै दा बेफोरखौ गारना खारनांगौब्ला नायदो just imagine now this Arakanat garden is just near to the river and some parts are already eroded see and if they have to leave this so good land which has been already planted with so much of Arakanat garden this side you see it's really a big loss very big loss for them Arakanat plantation see all everywhere betel nut ओरैहाय ना एवसि
लारि बाजावखौ गोनांबाय ओमफ्राय सिमोनबो लारि बाजावखौ नांदों ओमफ्राय राननायालाय माने बैयावसोमोन न'आव ओमफ्राय ओरैहाय गय बागान दंमोन बेखौ लांजोबबाय ओमफ्राय बे गय बागाननि ओरै सोनाबजोंबो जेलाबो 4 बिगासो हा दंबावोमोन आरो जोंहा
आच्छा
गायग्रा हामोन बियो बेखौबो लांजोबबाय ओमफ्राय बेखौ गिनानैनो हौरै सानजाजों लुना थाहैदोंमोन दा बेबो दै खाथि जाबाय ओमफ्राय दा गोरलै गोरलै गायनाया 3 बोसोरसो जाबायमोन दा बेखौबो दा खुरना लांगासिनो दं आरो
नै बेफोरनोमोन जेन'बा नै ना गय गायजोबबायमोन नै बेलाय देमा देमा बेसेबा मोजां मोजां जाबायमोन नै गय फुलि गय माबाया गय गायनाया This part also erosion was there बेयो नै औ नोंसिनि बोरैथो बाबु न'आ हौरै ए see erosion taking place this area also In this area also last year there was a small protection here made up of bamboos and it has helped a lot this has also helped a lot you see because of this direction took straight from here otherwise you see this part was already eroded last year see if such kind of small protection can help to protect the river direction then you imagine if there are some more protections I think we will obviously manage to solve this problem to direct the river flow to other directions see last year this part was eroded this year we can see river flowing little straight because of this protection see there was small protection नैबे मोनसे फिसा प्रटेक्शननि थाखायनो दैनि डाइरेक्शनखौ सिदा खालामनो हादोंमोन होमब्ला जों साननो हायो माने बेबायदि जों मोजाङै प्रटेक्शन होयोब्ला माने हायो आरोखि दैखौ मथामथि होबथानायखौ जों एसे हायो एसेलाबो बासाय जागोन आरो ना नै बेखिनिजोंथ' दैया बोहैयाखसै मथामथि नै हौरै थांबाय दैया You see here and there were some protections which has helped little bit this area you see बेलाय बेफोरबायदि फिसा फिसा होबथानाय दंमोन नै बेखिनियानो एसेलाबो बासायदों आरो होमब्लाथ' मोजाङैनो माने प्रटेक्शन होयोब्ला बासायनो हायैनि खोथायानो गैया बेफोरथ' गासै बारि बागानजोबमोन नै बेफोरो गासै बारि बागानजोबमोन नायदो नै those betel trees are now in the middle of the river you see and since there is no protection here river started scattering this side river started diverting this side see bagana 1.5 बिगासोमोन
फुवासेबो गैलिया आरो बै बागाना जेलाबो 3 बिगा दंमोन ओमफ्राय दा आधा बिगासोनिल'सै आरो
3 बिगाया Betini trees are collapsed and some are in the middle of the river. See. बेखिनियावबोथ' फाख्लाया फैनानै नैबे दैसाजों हाबखांबाय आरोखि ना जाय दैसाखौ हरैहाय थाइदिद दै होननानै मिन्थियो बान्दोबो थिखाङोमोन गायनो थाखाय लाङो ओमफ्राय दा नायदो दा बेखिनि माने खुनुरोखोम बेखिनि embankment protection माथावरि होनानै होबथानानै दोनदों जुदि नैबे दैया खुरखानानै नैबे जों जेराव गसंदों दा बेखौ खुरखाना ओरै बोहैबायला माने गोबां गामिफ्रा नस्थ' जाबावगोन आरोखि गोबां हा हु संसार जानाया बिराद खस्थ' जाबावगोन आरो बिदि ओरैथ' नै जामबाय नै only this part of portion is left because if this river flows this side and connects this river called Tidid, then many villagers will be affected a lot, their land will be swiped away, their properties will be swiped away. See, only this much portion is left. ओरैबायदि गोबाल'सै नै बे बान्दो होबथानाय आरोखि some years back already there was this was broken and gone. See, गैले नै गोबाल'सै माने ओरै खुख्ल'बायला नै ओरै थांबाय आरो माने थाख्लायानो बेजोंसो थांगोन माथो जा गुवारसै नै माथावरिया नै बेफोर एफा गुवार हाखौ दाथ' ओरैनो दोननांसै नैखौहाय ना माने माथो मावबावनाय जेबो बुंनोनो हायाब्ला ने लससो जागोन मालानि समाव दैया फैना खुरना लांगोन खुनु बुंनो हाया एसे मोजां हा एसेबा गुवारखौ दा ओरैनो दोननांसै आरो बेखौहाय they cannot trust. That is why this so good plot of land has been just kept like that without any cultivation. See. And at the end, a request from you is just share this video so that it will reach to the concerned authority so that they will know and come up to help out these poor people in this village. शेयर खालामदो जाहाथे नांगौ मानसिफोरनाव बे भिडिअ सौहैयो खबरा जाहाथे सौहैयो आरो बे बिथांमोना जेन बे मानसि सुबुंफोरखौ दै होबथानायाव जाहाथे मदद खालामफैयो आरो बेखिनियाव दोनथ'बाय see you in next video bye bye